Hey YouTube, what's up? New Rich here. Turn this down a tiny bit. How are y'all doing tonight? Good, I hope. Look at the bow, look at the bow. Oh yeah, that's right. It's getting close to Halloween, getting close to fall, so I always like to wear a little bit of weird stuff. And you guys, I am a dirty mess because I've been digging through herbs and stuff trying to figure this one out. This one's going to be a little, excuse me, I'm sick. This one's going to be a little weird, you guys. And if you're offended by Play-Doh penises, please turn this off now. That's your warning. We're going to be making a Play-Doh penis for a come out of the closet spell. Doesn't that sound like fun? I thought it sounded like great fun. And it's going to, we're doing it with red Play-Doh. And I was going to make it first, but I know you guys want to watch me make a penis out of Play-Doh. That's everyone's dream, right? Well, and we gotta have testicles. So there's one. Anyways, so this client is a different client, and it's a similar story, pretty much living a lie, and I guess it's a thing for you all. You guys are scared to tell your parents. Well, this guy, though, I can see why. He comes from an old school Italian Catholic background, and if he tells, he wants to come out to his father, but he can't because he knows his parents will disown him, and so he's really scared. And I don't blame him for being scared, but you can't live your life that way. This 2017, you are who you are. I mean, come on. You know, people are doing it every day. And I think that it's a complicated thing. I know it's complicated. I know it's hard for you guys to admit these things because it's been drilled into your head that it's not natural and it's not good and all these things. And you know, you are who you are. Like, I have no choice about being a witch and about having my psychic abilities and stuff. That's not a choice. I just have them. I can't pretend and lie, and you know, you are who you are. And the sooner you accept it, and the sooner that you know, get comfortable with it and tell everybody and give everybody a chance to, you know, adapt or adjust. You know, it's an adjustment. It's okay. They'll get over it. So anyways, so we're going to do this little come out of the, I might have made the testes too big. Too much Play-Doh. Hang on. You gotta make some adjustments. Sorry. It's so inappropriate. Do you know, spirits tell me all the time that I'm inappropriate. And I say, welcome to my world. I know. I'm inappropriate all the time. That's just me. Deal with it or don't. Not much I could do about it, you know? But anyways, so yeah. So he's living a fake life, and the problem is that he's doing it because he doesn't want to lose his family. He's terrified he's going to lose his family. And so, hang on, I gotta reshape the whole penis. God damn. And you can't blame him for that, you know. But he's again at the door. Did you guys hear that? All the time at the door. There's no one out there. So anyways, so we're doing a penis, and then I'm going to, you know, cut it open and put a petition in there, and, you know, do the whole thing, and burn some candles on it, and, you know, we're just going to do our thing. Well, I'm trying to decide. I think I'm not gonna put the petition inside the penis. The picture and the petition, I have it all folded up and filled out, and it's all good to go in here. But I think I'm gonna put it on top, put the penis on top, because I want to put oh, poor little guy. Woo! Don't fall. You see? It's quite lovely. I like it. Okay. Okay, so for herbs, for courage and tell the truth herbs, is what we're going to do is we're going to add some yarrow. And what was I going to tell you guys? Oh, so, Camille, Hamel is the angel for today, but I'm using Hecate. Favorite. But today is a good day to do spells for courage. And so that's why we're doing this spell tonight. And it's because courage, he needs the courage to come out of the closet and be comfortable and be allowed to be who he is, you know. Oh, and this is the licorice root. We're going to add some thyme, some rosemary, and yarrow. Yarrow is a good herb for this too. I already said that, but yeah, so it's good for passion and strength and sex drive, and it's a good day. It's a good day. I am facing south. I'm not facing southwest. Well, this is southwest, so if I go, I'll be facing southwest. It's good enough. Anyways, I'm not going to move my whole freaking table around right now. I'm already going. Anyways, some rosemary. Rosemary is good for everything. Did I already put the thyme in there? Can't remember if I already put thyme in there. Oh. Well, I guess I better put some more then. There we go. And for oil, I'm going to use Hecate oil. Because Hecate is all about change. She's all about, you know, turning your life upside down and putting it back in order. So Hecate is the perfect deity to be using in this spell. I mean, there's no one more perfect for this spell. And it's not just because I'm biased, you know. It's true. She is. Dun, 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 dun. Best powder because we like it to have a little spark. I'm going to put too much of it. You don't want to blow the place up. Okay. And I'm adding this for a different reason. This is frankincense and myrrh. But I'm adding it, but not for, I'm adding it because it came from my client. And so it's kind of like got his energy in there, you know. So that's the purpose for adding that to this spell. I want to connect to his energies. And yes. Do you guys know that almost all of my clients are witches? I think that's very interesting. I mean, I have a few that are not witches, but for the most part, they're all witches. I find that very interesting. If you hear something moving over there, it's just Rumbler. He's in his little bean bag, taking a nap. Oh. I am getting sick, you guys. I hate. Oh. I want to get back this. I want this back. I'm going to draw the symbol on the back of this petition for today. For this spell, there's a sigil that I'm going to be using before I forget. And I'm kind of like tying this into to some planetary magic. I'm tying it into a little planetary magic just because I'm using Hecate and everything kind of goes with the theme. I'm going to show you the little paper that I wrote out so you guys can see like all the good things. Because I'm really bad about remembering stuff, like what day is good to do what on. I mean, some stuff is obvious, but you know, I'm really bad about that. So I always have to look. Because I'll just do it whenever I want. And sometimes that's not good. Anyways, oh yeah. So, I'm going to cut the penis open at this time. I always wanted to do that's wrong. Don't say that. I should have been a surgeon. Because like whenever my boys would come home with cut open and stuff, I would say, oh, can I sew it up? And they would be like, no, take me to the hospital. Please, I could sew it up. I promise. No. They wouldn't let me. Not even my oldest wouldn't let me, and he's a badass. One time he came home and he thought his arm was broken, and he was like, ah, damn, I broke my fucking arm, and blah, blah, blah. He was in high school. He wasn't a little guy. He was in high school. And I said, really, you think it's broken? And he was like, yeah, it's broken. You better take me in. And so I like grabbed his arm and I moved it. And he screamed, and I was like, not broken. That's so mean. But it wasn't broken. It just was hurting him. It was just a little pain. I guess now we know why he's a badass, because his mom was tough on him. Well, I didn't raise my boys to be sissies. Let's just put it that way, because I don't like sissies. I don't get along with sissies. I'm a girly girl, but I'm not a sissy. I mean, I'm not. Okay, so the balls. Oh, yes. We're going to put a little red candle in each ball. Woo! Oh, yeah. And then I got this big one. It's going to go kind of like on the tip of the penis. Like right where it has the little, you know, the groove thingy. I'm enjoying this a little too much. This is a serious spell. Sorry. I'm a little silly today because I had a nap. Usually by this time I'm all tired and not really. I just don't sleep much. I really don't, but Hecate oil all over the penis. Woo! I like it. Oh, it looks nice. Good job. You want to see? God, don't slide away. So I slid it open this way. Made my cut. You see it. And then I put the herbs inside there and the oil inside there. And then I'm going to light the candles and start. I did write an incantation for this. I have my cauldron here because I was going to burn these herbs, and now I forgot to get a darn charcoal. Where's my charcoals? Give me 1 second, you guys. Okay, I'll be right back. Don't miss me. What are you doing, buddy? Are you sleeping? You better go back to sleep. I'm not playing with you right now, okay? Go. Okay, my little tweezer thing you use. Oh, you guys, look, I want to show you what I got. So I had a little frog and he died. And I dried him out, and look. Oh, he's gross. Rumbler. Did you just pass gas in the shop? That's not allowed. You did, I heard you. It's nasty. No, I'm really going to have to light an incense. Stinky boy. Do you guys have pit bulls? They are the worst stinkers ever. Especially when you feed them McDonald's cheeseburgers. Holy moly. Woo. I'm just going to hold it out for a second so that it can finish doing all of its stuff. And then I'm going to get an incense because Stink Bomb over here is trying to stink me out. I know what he's doing. Oh yeah, looks good. All right. Okay. Let me grab an incense. Thanks a lot, Rumbler. Thanks a lot, Stinker. All right. I love these incense. Those are the best incense of the world. In the world. I just hate their website. Well, it's probably... Okay, you guys. Ever since I did that first truth-telling spell with Hecate and her energy came in, all my electronics are wacko. Woo! Smoking it up. Put this right here. Come on. Get in there. There we go. Alright, we're good. Now I don't have to die from stinky butt dog. So, let's put some of our stuff on here. There we go. It always goes right in my face. It's like, no, please don't. All right. So I'm going to light these, and then I'm going to start my incantation. I know this was a quick, was this quick? It seemed, this went by fast for me. Maybe because I was having so much fun making the penis. It's pretty silly. I know. I'm so inappropriate. Alright, you guys. I have a whole thing that I have to do still. But like I said, I'll be working with Hecate on this because she is all about change and courage and giving you the strength to make the changes that you need to make and showing you how beautiful your life can be if you're true to who you are. And so I will be working with Hecate. I always do anyways, but for reals this time, like, well, it's always for reals, but you know what I mean, like, she's the perfect goddess for this spell. So anyways, yeah, I wrote out a whole thing for this, and it's going to be good. Alright, peace out. You guys have a good, hey, it's almost weekend. I'm trying to think what I have going on tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow I have to do, it's a theme, a tell the truth, communication theme this week. It's so weird, like synchronicities are amazing, but like, I have a new client tomorrow that I have to do a road opener for communication. That she's in a long distance relationship, and he's really bad about communicating and telling her what's going on and getting ready to move to where she's at, and but doesn't call her all the time, and he's stressed, and she could feel it, but she doesn't know why, and blah blah blah, all this stuff, and then this is communication and truth, and it's a theme this week. So I have tomorrow, and then I have a love opening for Friday if anyone needs a love spell. And right? I do, right? Yeah, I do. This is my first free Friday for a love spell that I've had open for like a month. So if you guys need a love spell, I'm open for Friday. But that's it, I think. Yeah. Alright. Peace out, y'all. Have a good evening or day, whenever this gets posted. I don't know. Talk to you later. Bye.